Greetings. Alright, so today we're going to do something really fun. This room has these windows that just tilt. And there's no real good way to like cool this room. It's the top floor, it's really hot. So, what I did, right, got this piece of plywood, found the studs, drill them in to the wall, right, in the corner to maximize the strength I can get. Now, you got to find your studs first before you cut your piece of wood. And they're attached with nuts and bolts. This is our in-room AC right here, right? It's 32 inches from the ceiling to here. This base is 19 by 15. The electrical outlet's going to be down there. All this stuff is the drywall right here. All right, so what you got to do is take your, this comes with your hose here, goes to the back of that, and it's going to shoot up and vent into the ceiling. I'm going to use a 6 1/4 inch hole saw. And it just cuts that out. And then you put some plastic wrap on top of this, so that way there's some tape around it. So that way we're going to push it through, and that way nothing will fall back into here. So let's do that. Alright, so I used this broom here, and I pushed this through till it was exposed to the air in the attic, and I just jammed this through the plastic wrap to break it free, so that way we can keep as much of that stuff out of it. Once it was free, I extended this down, connected it to here, and that's it. This is how you install windowless AC unit in a room and venting it to your ceiling. Super easy job. Just get the right tools. I'll see you next video. So we ended up having to take the AC unit down from here. The reason why, poor planning. It cannot blow cold air, although it needs to have a certain amount of space around it for air to intake and exhaust. And the other unit that was on there was terrible. It kept on shutting off, on and off the compressor. So we replaced it with this. I'll give you a link below. This one works way better. And since I had to take it down from here, I had to add an extension, hose extension, which is what this is. So it's a coupler. I added another piece of hose onto this. Goes all the way up into the attic. So I'll give you the link to these two pieces also. Other than that, we've been running it. It's been pretty nice and cold. Pretty simple project. You know, if you don't have access to a good window to put an AC unit in, then you don't want to be too obstructive and or intrusive and actually cut a hole in your wall. All right, thanks for watching. See you next video.